Hey everyone! Today I'll be demonstrating how to use Meta AI chat on Messenger. With the latest update, Messenger has introduced this exciting new AI feature, so let's dive in and see how it works. First things first, make sure you've updated your Messenger app to the latest version. Once updated, open the app and navigate to the search bar. Look for the Ask Meta AI Anything icon, which could be located on either the right or left-hand side, and click on it. This will bring up the AI chat interface, as shown here. You can now begin interacting with the AI, and it's incredibly user-friendly. Now let's close the chat, and you'll find it in your chat section, ready for continued interaction. There are several actions you can take by clicking on the chat name. For instance, you can share it, view the chat profile, search in your conversation, mute notifications, share the AI, and more. It's straightforward and intuitive to use. Keep in mind that this feature is still rolling out, so some users may have early access while others may need to wait a bit longer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.